dak jing thmu ban Kyrshan ki samla puli ki bawat bnya lani research scholar Liang ka Pisa Liang Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla konrat ki sangma agar punyau trek juliau arca arpsau ula play pajba ik website chief minister research kran kepada ka program ka bagi samla wat bnya ki laban register ila dia banyo ek jingrap Pisa ka belong lailak pangka Hakani jingelang nalo Myntri Rangbah la don langru du Myntri badi khmi katrat arts and culture uba Paul lungdo commissioner secretary ka arts and culture uba FR kharkongor nalor ki pan haba jingkran hakani ka sngi Myntri Rangbah ulaong bagi don bungot ki research scholars ka Jylla ki bakwa banle ka jingwat banya handai namar ka jingbamyo igilat jingerap bunsin ka penduk mersia meki batong balangba ka jingple ka ni website ki research scholars ki la ban register jiladi banyo yakite gilat jingerap Nolor kata ula kentui samla ki bawat banya bagi day ban sheme gani kabu ban register iladi hakani ka program.
Apply for this program and this is meant for you and we'll be happy to see that more and more people apply and if there's necessary if it's necessary then we are happy to also as I said, increase the numbers and increase the budget. We will examine the future. RG committee and all the other officials of the department who are present out here. As mentioned by the Honorable Minister in charge, that this in fact has been a very long pending issue and a thought and an idea that we really wanted to do for a very, very long time. And we just had to figure out how to give it the right shape. And so I'm very happy today that the Honorable Minister and our Commissioner Secretary have taken the initiative to structure this entire process and we are here today to launch the website and the portal through which our different scholars and researchers can now apply for this particular grant. The thought process is very simple. Number one, we've always felt, and I've mentioned this in many platforms, that we really lack documentation. We really lack research. And both research and documentation in one way is a foundation for many other aspects to really happen. And many states and many nations, if you look at it, have stressed so much on documentation. And those documentations that help the future generation to understand the past and improve the past in the future and make things better. So all of these thought processes, ideas, anything that we want to do to bring a change in our society and in our state starts with proper research and documentation, without which we really would not be, I should say, moving forward in a very scientific manner. And that's what has actually really pushed us to focus on this aspect of research and documentation. That's number one. And of course, we would want each of these researchers to then also do a lot of field work, visits, involve students, other students who are there, with them, allow the team to be there. So we're hoping that one scholar, one researcher will have a team of 4 or 5 people, individuals around him. So we're not touching just one intellect, we're touching about 200, 300 every year. And as I said, we are very flexible to discuss about how we can expand this program. So if you tell me tomorrow, well, 50 wasn't enough, we need 100, we are very much open to it. So we'll all depend on the response we get. If you tell us that, well, the amount is a bit less, so maybe for certain research it could be 3, but for another research maybe it requires a larger budget, we are flexible for that also. So let's keep that open, but this is where we start and we take it forward from here. But a lot of work for all of you who are in the committee, because it's not easy. You have to really go through this, because I do expect that you will also guide the people who are doing the research in the long run and help them and support them, so mentor them. So I think all of those aspects also, I'm sure, will come into the picture. So this is really a beginning of many things that we would like to do. I'm very keen, as you're aware, that we'll be very soon having our own state level data center that's coming up. I expect that all these different inputs will be kept in a digital format on the cloud, so that we can make it accessible to people all over the world. At the same time, I'm hoping that through the different programs and the OTT programs we have, we'll be able to create the documentaries through these research programs, which will then find place in this OTT platform. So all of these will be mixed, and you will see the larger picture as we move along. But we have a master plan for that also. So I just wanted to just give you a glimpse, as I said. Apply for this program, and this is meant for you. And we'll be happy to see that more and more people apply. And if there's necessary, if it's necessary, then we are happy to also, as I said, increase the numbers and increase the budget.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha. Pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingbah ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.